Welcome to Simple Tech Tips. Today we'll learn how to get rid of this search button on Windows 11. For some people, this may be helpful. For some, they may not like it. So in order to get rid of it, right click here and then go to the taskbar settings. It will take some time to load. After it is loaded, you have this option here, this search icon and label. If you don't want the search box, you select search icon only. It will look like this. If you want the search box to be here only, press search, and if you don't like any of them, you just want to hide it, press this hide button. You'll see it vanish from here. So this is how you turn off this search box and icon from the taskbar of your Windows 11. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.